In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage Jira tickets like a pro. Let's be honest, there's a big difference between letting requests pile up and running a clean, professional ticketing workflow. If your backlog is full of vague titles and scattered updates, Jira can help you bring structure, visibility, and speed back to the process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to log in, create a well-structured ticket, set the right issue type and priority, move work through your board, use built-in AI summaries, and finish with a quick workflow check so everything stays organized. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page. Once the dashboard loads, open the software project or service desk you want to work in. This is your main command center where tickets, boards, and activity all live in one place. When you're inside the project, go to the top navigation bar and click the Create button. That opens the issue creation window, where you'll enter the details for the new ticket. This is where good ticket quality begins, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to get it right. Next, open the issue type dropdown and choose the option that best fits the work. Use bug for a defect or regression, task for general technical work, or story for a user-facing requirement. Picking the correct type helps your team report on work accurately and keeps the backlog easier to manage. Now click into the summary field and write a short, specific headline that explains the work clearly. In the description area, avoid vague paragraphs. Instead, organize the information using 3 parts: the steps to reproduce, or the user symptoms, the expected result, and the actual result. This format gives engineers and support teams the context they need without forcing them to dig through comments later. After that, scroll to the priority field and choose the urgency level based on business impact, from low up to critical if needed. In many Jira environments, this also supports SLA tracking, which helps teams stay accountable and respond within the right timeframes. When everything looks good, click Create at the bottom of the window. Your new ticket will appear on the board. As work begins, you can drag the card from To Do or Backlog into In Progress, then later into Testing or Done. Moving cards consistently keeps the whole team aligned on status. If you open a busy ticket with a long comment history, scroll to the Activity and Comment section and use the Summarize Comments option. This can quickly condense updates and help you catch up faster. Before you wrap up, review the board and make sure each ticket is in the right column. Priorities look correct, and everything is displayed clearly. That final check helps prevent confusion and keeps your workflow clean. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.